teach you a little bit about the tribe Tano. So Taino means men of the good. So their shelter, they lived in houses called bahinos made of wood poles, woven straw, and palm leaves. So here's an interesting fact. They were the first indigenous people to meet Christopher Columbus and be called Indians. They ate earthworms, lizards, birds, fish, and manatees. They also ate root vegetables, fruit, and beans. Men and unmarried women were naked, usually. Other women wore short aprons. Jewelry was made of gold shells and rocks that were colored. So their region where they live, they are found in Puerto Rico, South Florida, Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti, and Dominican Republic. Here are their tools. So they used fish nets and ropes to catch food. They also used bow and arrows with poison to kill food. This is their recreation, which is what they do for fun. They had central plazas in every village where they played games, danced, held festivals, and performed religious rituals and ceremonies. They played a ceremonial ball game called Batty, which was used to resolve conflicts. They had no large animals to ride on. They made canoes out of tree trunks. Men would usually fish and hunt, but helped with farming also. The children spent most of the time with the women, so they didn't really have a job to do. The women were highly skilled in farming. Bye!